We're going to try this morning because I keep saying I'm going to make this and I keep forgetting to make it. Please forgive my bedhead. I woke up this morning. Actually, I went to bed last night with my hair wet and woke up this morning and just got started with stuff. So I'm going to show you how folding a fitted sheet does not have to be like this and shoved in a closet. That's no good. No bueno. So let me see if I can do this where you can see it. Take one corner inside out and put your hand in that corner. Reach across, get the other corner, touch them, fold it over. That should let you slide your hand to the other corner and do the same thing. So I can't get back far enough, but as you can see, I've got both corners almost perfectly lined up. Now, at this point, you really do need to have somewhere to lay the sheet down. Lay it down, fold the top part in, make a good crease on each side. Fold the bottom part that is clean, fold it. See how clean that fold is? Fold it to the middle. Take the top part, fold that over that, making it nice and clean. Fold one quarter in, fold another quarter in, and fold it in half. And there is your fitted sheet. Nice and clean. And if you need it in a smaller space, you can always take it and do it in halves, and then third over. It depends on how your linen closet stacks, how you stack all your flat sheets. And there you have it. Folding a fitted sheet does not have to be stressful, and it doesn't have to involve rolling it up and shoving it in the closet. Bye, guys.